Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Slack with Zoho Projects. All right, so first up, you gotta go to Slack right here, log in with your account, and gotta go to the left panel, click on Admin. Okay, once you click on it, you will have a ton of options in here. Just basically click on Apps and Workflows, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, just go to the top, click on Search Slack Marketplace. Okay, in here, just type down Zoho Projects. Like so, click on Zoho Projects right here. Wait for it, and then once done, just click on the green button right here that says Add to Slack. Okay. By the way, here we have the supported activities. So just go ahead and click on Add to Slack right here. Wait for it to load. Now go ahead and scroll down a bit. Now click on Configure. Make sure to select the correct portal. Configure right here, and again, click on Add to Slack. Okay. Proceed. Wait for this window to load. Once it fully loads, go ahead and select the correct workspace. Now scroll down, review everything, scroll all the way down and click on Allow. There you go. Now what you'll do next is just go ahead and select the project that you would like to connect. Okay. For example, YouTube project, or maybe just this one right here. Select the channel, scroll down. If you want to turn all notifications for this specific project to your Slack feeds, select all right here. Okay. If not, you can disable one, just select the slider. Okay. And once that's done, hit on save, hit on OK. There you go. As you can see here, it now says delete integration. Well, that means that the two are now connected. Okay. We have here under our Slack account, Zoho Projects. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.